Guys, just want to give you an update. Made some modifications to the Armature. I have two bridge rectifiers now. I'm going to be running each arm separately, and I installed those little German unidirectional roller bearings on one of the Lovejoy connectors, and just want to give you an update that it does in fact work very, very nicely. Just oscillating it. She keeps on going, so I'll spool it up once and I'll show you. We'll see what kind of time we get out of it. Good evening, guys. I've got the Armature running at roughly just under 1,000 RPM with the unidirectional roller bearings that I've installed in the Lovejoy connector in this housing. So I'm going to shut off power to the motor and we'll see how long she spins with the disengagement of the motor. So the motor stopped, and the Armature is still freewheeling. So it works well. Definitely think we can make use of this effect. Good evening, guys. Just wanted to show you a little update on the Armature. I essentially have separated the two armatures such that I have a full bridge on either armature. I have one armature spinning right now at a nominal, probably 1,000 RPM or so thereabouts, and the other armature is fixed. And again, there's no communication electrically between the two anymore. The north armature I'm spinning and I'm getting around 51 volts out of it, consuming approximately 0.87 amps, or about 21 watts. Now this is going to be the fascinating thing. Now what I've done is I have, coming out of the bridge rectifier on this side, an AC capacitor that is approximately 7.5 microfarads, and I have a DC capacitor here. And I just want to show you, just with the passive pulsing through the magnet into the coil, which are fixed in magnetic lock right now, what it does over here. So here we can see, without the armature spinning at all, we're still able to harvest energy off this coil without any form of spinning, and I have the motor obviously disconnected. So just with the passive pulsations coming from the other armature spinning, it's providing spikes that could be utilized potentially for charging another battery or a smaller battery passively. So it's sort of interesting. If nothing else, when you separate a Armature, even without the armature spinning, the pulsations into the magnet unilaterally in this direction is still providing enough impulse to provide a voltage and current for charging. So there you have it. Hey guys, another finding I just wanted to show you, that with the single armature spinning at under 1,000 RPM, producing roughly 55 volts, consuming approximately 19 watts or so thereabouts, when I shut the machine off, I'm going to show you the effect of my roller bearing that I installed to disassociate the motor from the armature, and we'll see how long it keeps the voltage up. Okay, so I'm going to shut off the motor now, and you'll see it stop spinning. So the armature is still spinning now and still producing some voltage for a number of seconds. So that definitely can be used for gain as well. There we go.